And today we are going to do some science experiments to find the presence of carbohydrates, proteins and fats in some food samples. Before getting into the video, don't forget to like, subscribe and share my video, and please support my channel. Now let's get into the video. Now let's see the experiment for testing presence of starch in a food item. The materials you require is rice or bread or atta, potato and iodine solution and dropper. Take small quantity of the food material like bread or potato. Put 2 to 3 drops of iodine solution on the food sample with the help of a dropper. On pouring the iodine solution, the color of the food sample changes to blue-black. The change of color to bluish black shows the presence of starch in the food samples taken and contains carbohydrates. Now let's see how to find whether there is protein in the food or not. The materials you require is food sample, any food sample you can take, water, test tube, copper sulfate and caustic soda. Take grinded food sample and add 10 drops of water. Mix it well. Add 2 to 3 drops of copper sulfate solution. Add 10 drops of caustic soda. Mix the test tube very well. The blue color changes to purple. Purple color indicates presence of proteins. Now let's see how to find fats in a food sample. How to find whether there's fats in the food sample. The thing you require for test for fats is nuts, potato chips, nuts or potato chips and butter paper. The first step you need to do is put some chips in the white paper / butter paper. You can use any normal paper or butter paper. Fold the paper and crush it. There will be oily patches seen on the butter paper. Oily patches indicates presence of fats. Okay guys, bye. I hope you enjoyed my video. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share my video. Bye guys. Meet you in the next video. Until then, it's bye from Mr. SS.